Welcome to Healthy Hub, where smart living meets healthy habits. We're here to make wellness easier, tastier, and way more fun. Today's spotlight: Ninja Slushie Machine, a professional frozen drink maker, a powerful tool that could seriously level up your kitchen game.
Craving a perfectly frozen drink at home? Is it really worth the hype? Let's dive into the Ninja Slushi professional frozen drink maker. The Ninja Slushi boasts a 72-ounce capacity and 3 preset programs. It promises slushies, frozen cocktails, and chilled beverages without ice or blending. Does it deliver on this promise of smooth, flavorful results? This machine uses rapid chill technology to freeze liquids quickly. It works with wine, coffee, soda, and juice. Just pour, select a program, and enjoy a smooth drink in 15 to 60 minutes. With a 4.5-star rating from nearly 400 reviews, it seems promising. Many users praise its ease of use and cleaning. Some highlight its versatility for parties and perfect slushies. However, some customers found the build quality cheap. Others reported long freeze times or issues with sugar-free recipes. One user even experienced it breaking down shortly after the return window closed. The Ninja Slushi seems like a fun gadget for frozen drink enthusiasts. But consider the mixed reviews regarding build quality and freezing performance. Check it out on Amazon. Ready to make your own slushies? Click the link in the description to learn more and grab your Ninja Slushi today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews.
Thanks for spending time with us here at Healthy Hub. If you liked what you saw and think this kind of tool could fit into your healthy lifestyle, check out the link below to learn more or grab yours today. Your support means the world and helps us keep bringing honest, helpful reviews every single week. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Stay balanced, stay bold.